We're struggling a little bit from Weymouth to Portsmouth while sitting alongside in Portsmouth for a couple of days waiting for some bad weather to pass. I texted around some of my friends to see if they were free to join us for the rest of our trip. With them all being busy with work and stuff, one of them did tell me about a Facebook page called UK Sailing Buddies. So after putting a post on UK Sailing Buddies, I reckon about 5 or 10 minutes later I had two replies. One from Colin, who lived quite local in Portsmouth, and another one from a fellow called Danny, who lived in London, who jumped on the coach straight away, and he was down at the boat a couple of hours later. So if you're not already a part of the UK Sailing Buddies Facebook page, it might be worth adding yourself. Seen some right good adventures popping up on there over the past couple of weeks. So we've done all our planning the night before, checked the weather again in the morning, and then set off from Portsmouth. We were only doing a day sail, so we stopped in Eastbourne for the night. So after a couple of days of miserable weather and our crew joining, we set off from Portsmouth. It was quite a nice day. Later on in the afternoon it started rolling quite a lot, but wasn't too bad.
Ask you to look away. I love my hands, but it hurts to pray. The life I have isn't what I'd seen. The sky's not blue and the field's not green. Wait for me.
So we spent the night in Sovereign Harbour. It was well sheltered and it's really nice marina. So after a good sleep we set off early hours in the morning and headed towards Dover. So one of the really good things about picking up some crew on their UK Sailing Buddies page is both of them had spent loads and loads of time sailing in the southeast and up the east coast. All my sailing experiences come from the southwest, so from Falmouth, and I'd never sailed any further east from Portsmouth. So I was absolutely made up having a bit of experience on board of people who have.
You won't see me much on this video. It was a really rough day out there and I spent most of it with my head in a bucket, which I'm sure you don't want to see. Has anyone got any tips for combating seasickness?
So with having rolling seas from our starboard quarter, it means we were firing along at 8.5 knots.
So on the way to Dover, Rob received a phone call from the Navy and our plans have changed. We've now decided to berth the boat in Hartlepool for a couple of months, which is great as Rob gets to come home each night. So as everyone knows, the sea always looks a lot calmer on video, but as you can see here, you can see the fishermen really battling against it.
Said something similar to the guy over there, but I didn't catch all of it.
Yeah. Not much shipping today, even though the Dover Strait is one of the busiest shipping channels in the world.